Bear market rallies are normal and natural and exist to make the emotional people think that either one, the bear market never existed, or two, that the bear market is over. It's happening all over again like it always does. It's happening again right now. Look at the CNN Fear and Greed Index here. Up here at the middle of greed, look at the mistake that mom and pop are making. If you forget, go back here. Go back to the March-April 2008 bear market rally in the S&P 500 that was up 15%. Go back to the 2022 bear market rallies where the market was up 9% and then about 11%. Make no mistake, this is another one of those bear market rallies that is really going to hurt people. And I understand. In the meantime, where I am mostly here all alone on Bear Market Island, I realize that everybody thinks I'm wrong, and that's okay. I couldn't care less because all of my research says this is nothing but a bear market rally, so be careful. As about 2:33 in the afternoon here, Eastern Time, yes, the S&P 500 about 2% higher than my target high of about 5,700. Because the market is higher now, I did need to adjust my next target low, which I say now is at about 54.90. Now, this is not my bear market target low. This is simply my next target low before we get the next little dead cat bounce higher. To be very clear, I have not gotten out of any of my short positions. Natural gas down so far today as of about 2:27 in the afternoon. I shared with you on Friday that I didn't think that it confirmed the breakout above $3.94 a cubic foot. It so far has not. Natural gas down today. That's good because I'm short natural gas. Natural gas absolutely can keep running between that $3.94 and $3.66 a cubic foot to be truly bullish in natural gas. I would need to see a confirmed breakdown below $3.66. Let's see what happens. Gold down so far today as of about 2:24 in the afternoon because of the stock market euphoria and everything's great. What could possibly go wrong? Sell your gold and buy stocks. The price action now down to essentially where I bought it 2 Fridays ago. So making an unconfirmed breakdown below $3,239 an ounce. I have not purchased more gold. I still own half of the original gold position I did buy 2 Fridays ago. Have not purchased more yet because I want to see if we confirm the breakdown tomorrow or not. So I'm being patient and waiting to see what I do with gold. There's a ton of misinformation going around in my TikTok comments that stock buybacks are fueling the bear market rally, and that is simply not true. It is absolutely true that companies have set aside record amounts of money to buy back stock, absolutely a fact, but they are not using that money yet to purchase new stock. You don't think that the biggest companies, the smartest people in the world, are waiting for somewhere near the end of the bear market to put that money to work? Just like I am, okay? Understand the facts here. Consumer level inflation data, CPI, released tomorrow morning, 8:30 Eastern Time before the bell. Let's see how the emotional herd reacts. That said, this is an extremely news-driven market here that is not paying attention to the fundamentals or the technicals and purely the news. So if tomorrow morning CPI is taken as bullish, sure, the stock market can run higher. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.